Today is Judgment Day for Rum and Coke beef jerky. Sand Gladiator requested this flavor in our comments, and we made it for him yesterday. Today, we get to see what our taste testers think.
Well, that's an adventure. I pick up on some Coke and like an aftertaste of rum, but overall.
Definitely get the sweet, but a little bit of the rum taste hits. The Coke doesn't come through as much. I like this little crystallization on it. It's good.
I don't really get a lot of flavor. It tastes really sugary though. I don't think it's very good.
Got like a hint of sweetness. You can definitely taste some rum.
A bit of sweetness. I can taste the Coke. I don't know about the rum though.
I think this one was actually really good, but I have a few ideas on how to make this better. I may make another run at this one soon. Great suggestion, Sand Gladiator. I'm sending this one out to you today. If you have a good idea for a jerky flavor, leave it down in the comments.